ina ka dito.
Thank you as well. Knowing and having all of your strengths and courage. Jesus, I remember myself to you as yours, with all my strengths and courage. I will be there for you in your times of need. Just as I know I can go to you, I already have. For everything that I never dreamed of and everything I will ever be. Our love for each other is heaven sent. Today, I want to be here with you and for you, forever and always. I love you more fiercely with every second that slips through our hand. With you, I can make the most of my
Oli?
days.
Go that way, Lord.
Thank you and I love you.
Excuse me, auntie. Dapat. Say, excuse me. You want some water, Lloyd?
Oh no.
Milk, kaya siya milk. Sa milk. Katuyato ko yung kagalili niya, ino na.
On my milk. Louie.
Can we share?
Okay.
Thank you, Lee. Han.
Today we said our first hi, hello.
Oo.
I feel
Kasi lagi pa pala sila ba? Mami.
Luda lang gusto ko magulang kasi kupira na.
we had a near-death experience, which we're about to commemorate this same month. We've had our fair share of laughters and tears, victories and losses. Yet, through it all, you've been my constant companion, my best supporter, my number one critic, my honest advisor, my close confidant, my best friend, my shoulder to lean on, my dream come true, my forever. I vow to be a loving and devoted wife, without judgment, without scorn,
Katawas-
but
katawas
always
libo
with
yun.
an open heart and mind, to listen, to care, to feel, to rejoice, and to pray with you forever and always. I promise to grow with you and build a better life with you each day as we learn from each other to be patient, kind, giving, and to always cherish
Kailan ko na
each
yung
day
bala?
together. Today, with God and surrounded by all of our loved ones, I choose you to be my husband. I will be by your side for better or worse. I choose myself. For richer or poorer, you are my one and only, today and every day. I love you and I will continue loving you as long as we both shall live.
Okay, let's go, bridesmaids and groomsmen. Asa naman ang ato ang veil? Asa naman to sila?
Kami.
Ang ato ang cord. Masayang siya ha? Yes. Ang atong candle ay ang ato ang veil at ang ato ang ang music natin na, sir. Prepare na ka. Let's welcome our team bride and team groom. Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, forward, next. Ma'am, forward should ka, ma'am. Diri naman. Oh, diri mo ma'am, forward. Pagkaman yung sayaw. Nanay lang music nila, sir. Sayaw sa before mo forward. Oh, sige. Next music, please. Ready, and go! Oh, sayaw. Sige natin sa kong sayaw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, sige. Next pair, ladies and gentlemen.
Go, Ayan! Go, Ayan!
And go! 1, 2, 3, 4.
morning. Good morning, cake. Oh, mga original mga naong. Oh. Pag diet na mo pag humagkasal.
Sige, nag-diet na din. Made in China nga naong.
Kaya na yung original.
Naadin yung mga made in China.